with all of you through this video. I'm sure you are all excited to join the workshop which is coming up in 20 days. Many of you may be wondering, what is this mindfulness? We said it's going to be a workshop for children about mindfulness. Many of you may think mindfulness is meditation. For many of us, including grown-up adults, meditation is a difficult thing to do. Nobody likes to sit in a corner of your home, close your eyes, sit in one place without moving, and then do something. No one likes to do that. So, I'm not going to teach you to sit in one corner, close your eyes, and meditate. So that is not what we're going to learn in the workshop. It is a workshop. That means I'm going to share with you a few things which you and I can do together along with other children and then learn something. After that, you can decide whether it's going to work for me or not. So then, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness simply means, let's say you go out and play with your friends in the field. Let's say you are playing soccer or some other game. When you are with your friends, you want to be with them, you enjoy the game at the maximum level, right? You are happy when you are playing with your friends. You are not thinking about anything else. You are totally absorbed into playing. In the same way, let's say you are meeting with your friends just to have a good time. You like to do that, right? In the same way, mindfulness is nothing but whatever you do, you should enjoy it. Today, you have so many things to do. You have some homework, you have to go to school. There are so many other things you have to take care of. While doing that, sometimes you may feel this is something I don't want to do. But what mindfulness is going to teach us is whatever you do, you're going to enjoy it. You have to love doing it, and that should give you happiness. So that is all we are going to learn in the workshop. So we are not going to sit like adults sitting in a corner, close your eyes and meditate. We are not going to do that. So we will be teaching a few things like exercises so that you can try them on your own. You're going to see for yourself whether that is going to work for you or not. I promise you it will be very, very engaging. You can learn something out of it, out of your own interest. I'm not going to force you. I'm not going to say that this is what you have to do every day. I'm not going to teach you that. I'm going to share with you what I know, which I think will be really helpful to you when you want to enjoy each and everything you do in your life. So that is a quick introduction. Before you come to the workshop, I want you to try a few things. That's why I want to make this video. Instead of sending an email to you, I thought it would be easier if I talk to you directly. So this is what I want you to do. Just two things, simple things. As you know, today, while you look around you, today when you go to school, things are a little bit different. Many of us were not able to go and attend school for a very long time. You are not able to meet with your friends. So things have changed. Is it not? When you compare your life last year and now, lots of things have changed. So with this as a background, I want you to think about all these changes made some impact in each one of us. When you look out and see something has changed, I cannot go and meet with my friend. That makes some changes in you also. So I want you to think about it. How do we do that? It's very easy to do. Every day, you have a lot of time doing many tasks. I want you to allot just 5 minutes. These 5 minutes can be in your morning or afternoon before you go to sleep. You choose these 5 minutes whenever you want. You choose these 5 minutes and sit quietly and then just think about how the changes outside has an impact in me. For some of you, there is no impact. You just take it all for fun. You still have a good life. That's good for many of us. I want you to do this maybe once or twice a week. Between now and the workshop, we have lots of time. In a week, I want you to spend at least 1 or 2 times. Each time, take 5 minutes of your time and then sit quietly and then see how the outside environment has an impact in me. Whatever you find, I'm sure you'll find something. Each time you sit and think about it, something will pop up. Whatever pops up, you just write it down. You don't have to share it with anyone, including your parents. Whatever pops up, just write it down and keep it with you. And again, I'm not going to ask you to show that to me later. Okay, I'm not going to ask that from you. This is only for yourself. Whatever you're going to write it down, just keep it with you. And then I will say what to do with this when we come to the workshop. So this is a very easy thing for you to do. So again, I'm just repeating so that you understand very clearly what I'm trying to say. In a week, you take 1 or 2 days of your time, once or twice in a week. Each time, you take 5 minutes, sit down wherever you find yourself quiet, just keep quiet and then think about how the external environment impacted me. Take a piece of paper, write it down, fold it and keep it very secretly. You don't have to give that to your friends or to your parents or to myself. It's only for you. Keep that with you, and then when we come to the workshop, we will talk about what to do with that. This is the short thing, a small thing I ask you to do before we come to the workshop. I thank you very much. I know you're all busy. You're going to do so many things before now and the workshop. I wish you all the best, and I'm very happy to meet with you all in person on that day. Thank you.